the Group 4 presentation of Feasibility Study.
Location, Barangay Salvacion, Sorsogon City. Proponent, Agnoti Irish, Gruta Ara, Aranya Jessica, Astaliero Michelle, Mika Berwega, and Tricia Lasala. Contact person, Lasala Tricia. Type of business organization, partnership. Vision, our vision for the pig business is to increase the income from pig farming. Vision, as for my mission, how can it be sold and consumed, and above all, how can my people like it move but be popular with them. Goals, to sustain food supply. Duration, June to September 2024. Budget requirements. 100,000 requirements. 147,900 and 147,840. Source of financing. Savings. Rational. Pigs are efficient converters of feed into high-quality protein, making pork a valuable source of nutrition for human consumption. Swine production helps meet the protein requirements of the growing population, thereby enhancing food security and reducing dependence on imported meat products. Advancements in swine production technologies, such as improved housing systems, nutrition management, and disease control measures. The goal of our business is to ensure the health and well-being of pigs is a critical goal in swine production. Producers strive to provide proper housing, nutrition, and healthcare to promote the welfare of the animals under their care. Swine producers aim to meet market demands of pork products by producing pigs that meet quality standards. Additionally, Lasala aims to contribute to the local pork supply, enhance food security, and support the agricultural sector. Additionally, Lasala swine production plays a role in the economic development of the region by creating employment opportunities, promoting sustainable farming practices, and meeting consumer preference for high-quality pork products. Through efficient market study, production description, nutrition facts if needed. This is a critical component of swine production. Feed constitutes 65 to 70% of the cost of pork production. The feed is formulated to meet the nutritional needs of swine at a different stage of their lives, including amino acid, energy, vitamins. Demand analysis, population and income, health and nutrition. Supply analysis, vitamins, pellet grower. Demand and supply analysis. For a product or service, several key aspects need to be considered. Is a breakdown of the essential components involved in analyzing the market dynamics, including price study, factors influencing the market, target market, identification, projected sales, competitor analysis, terms of sales, transportation, and selling facilities, packaging, market channels, and promotional stage. Price study. Determination, analyze the pricing strategies of competitors and the market demand to set competitive prices. Price discrimination, explore opportunities for segment the market based or price sensitivity. Factors affecting the market. Consumer preferences, study consumer behaviors, threats, and preferences to tailor product services accordingly. Regulatory environment assess regulations that may impact production, distribution, or pricing. Target market and projected sales. Sales forecasting. Use historical data, market trends, and consumer insight to project future sales.
Technical study, the product, swine, the production process, preparation for packaging, transport, and market. Swine are transported to slaughter or processing facilities where they undergo humane slaughter and processing. Packaging materials. The materials that will be used for packaging is vacuum-sealed bags. Packaging methods. Day packaging involves placing pork cuts in trays or containers and covering them with a plastic film map. Involves modifying the atmosphere inside the packaging to extend the shelf life of pork products. Farm size and production schedule. The scale of production and the number of pigs to be raised essential for managing breeding, farrowing, feeding, and other activities should consider factors such as gestation period, location and period, wearing age, and market weight targets. Land development, building, and other facilities.
Of ownership and legal personality of the project. Legal personality of the project. Partnership agreement clearly outline the sharing structure among the partner, including in the swine production. Sharing ownership, the ownership structure of the partnership, including the percentage of ownership held by each partner. Profit sharing, the agree upon profit sharing with mutualism outline and the partnership agreement. Taxation, the tax structure of the partnership, considering whether the partnership will be taxing as a fast running entity.
Letter V. Vision, mission, and goals. Sa vision, to be a leading and sustainable swine production industry that properties, animal welfare, health, well-being, and human treatment of pigs stretch out their management officer and key personnel. Tricia Lasala, Gruta Ara, owner and manager. The owner or manager should oversee the overall operation of the swine production business. The owner or manager always be responsible for strategy, planning, decision making, financial management. Michelle Ann, production supervisor, are responsible for coordinating and directing an activity of production worker. She also manages the production team, schedule, tasks, and ensure production targets are met. Gruta Ara, sales marketing officer, she will focusing on promoting and selling production, the product, or service to customer. She also handle the sale and marketing activity for swine production. Berwiga Mika, veterinarian. She will provide veterinary care and medication for swine piglets. Agnoti Iris, Quality Control Office. She is responsible for monitoring and maintenance the quality standard in swine production. Aranya Jessica, maintenance technician. She is responsible for the maintenance and repair of equipment, facilities, and infrastructure in swine production. Lasala Tricia, farm worker, is responsible for the hunt and management of swine production that include the feeding, watering, clearing, and maintenance and piglet house, and also monitoring healthy. Michelle Ann, feed management, manage the feeding program for swine production. Overall project schedule,
Letter B, a cash flow statement of Lasala swine production. Items, cash flow, equity, sales, total cash inflow, total outflow, land and facilities, feeds, veterinary care and mitigation, piglets, operating expenses, electricity and lighting, biologics, total cash outflow, net cash inflow, add bag or cash balance, ending cash balance. So the batch 1 is equity is 75,000, sales 81,000, total cash inflow 165,000. So land and facilities is 5,000, feeds 14,400, veterinary care and medication is 1,050, piglets 9,000, operating expenses 3,000, electricity and lighting 500, biologics 500, total cash outflow is 33,450, net cash inflow is 122,550. Ending cash balance is 197,500. Batch 2, the sales naman is 63,000. Total cash inflow 63,000. Land and facilities 5,000. Feeds 14,400. Veterinary care and medication is 1,050. Piglets 9,000.
Lasala Swine Production Project Balance Sheet. Cash on hand 32,100. Total current asset 32,110. Fixed asset 147,900. Total asset 81,000. Owner's capital 32,110. Unretained 174,900. Total owners 115,790.
Socio-economic study. Number 1. Employment and livelihoods. Assessing the contribution of swine production to employment generation, income opportunities, and livelihoods of individuals involved in industry such as farmers, workers, and related business. Number 2. Income generation. Studying the economic benefits of pig farming in terms of income generation for farming's value chain actors and local economies, including the distribution of incomes and wealth within the sector. Number 3. Market dynamic. Analyzing the market structure, trends, and dynamics of the pork industry, including pricing mechanism, market access, competition, and market integration at local, national, and international levels. Number 4. Technology adoption. Examine the adoption of technologies and innovations in swine production, such as genetics, breeding techniques, housing system, feeds management, and biosecurity measures, and their impacts on productivity and fruitability. Number 5. Sustainability practice. Investigating the adoption of sustainable practice in pig farming, including environmental management, waste recycling, resources efficiency, animals welfare standards, and